May 18th, a real late start. Me and Mrs. HD are gonna, I don't know, maybe go over to Dave's Hot Chicken. We've been wanting to try it. I've been wanting to try it. It's over on Fowler Avenue in Bruce B. Downs. It's not a great ride by any stretch, but, you know, it's late anyway. So we'll go get some lunch and try it, and maybe we'll be able to give you a review of, you know, the tough cookie there. If she thinks it's good, it's probably good. Yeah, you gotta say it more excited than that, though.
Seasoning at Ace Hardware.
We need it for the steaks.
Down where the river moans, lay the songs of flesh and bone. Down where the devil roams, voices calling out to home. I see the sickle and cow, stranger in black, coming.
Museum of Science and Industry, and then USF to the right of us. Go Bulls.
For judgment. How your song at the river, you sinner. House of hell at the river, coming looking for blood.
My parents, my sister, and my aunt all went there. I'm the only one.
Hell at the river, coming looking for blood. How your song at the river, you sinner. House of hell.
Dave's Hot Chicken. I don't know, get the medium? I don't know, first time. Very pretty. Nice job. Well done in here. Well done. Number one. 3 times over. Nice. This is cool. It's well done in here. There's the sliders. Here's mommy's. Let's see. It's just now doing the fries. I'm beating sweat on my forehead. This is with the hot. It's like chili powder, some cayenne in there definitely, but the heat's in the breading. The heat's in that breading. I probably would do mild next time. This will light you up, and I can eat fire. Thank you. That was definitely get your money's worth. I only ate 1 slider. The tenders are giant. The spice level is up there, so just be careful. I can usually just drink Tabasco and stuff like that, but the combination of the chili powder and the cayenne, Mommy didn't like it much. She's gonna get plain next time.
That's not true. I'm willing to give it one more try.
One more try, she says, but no spice next time. Good though. I'd call that a yes, a win.
Let me give you a chance to explain.
All right, explain.
It's not the hot, it's the spice. Tastes funky.
It's the flavor. It's the flavor.
Down where the river moans, lay the songs of flesh and bone. Down where the devil roams, voices calling out to.
We're up on the north side of Kingsway, north of I-4, over here where Dr. Williams is. They'll be putting neighborhoods up here soon. You can bet on that.
In the cold dead ground, laying in wait for judgment. How your song at the river, you sinner. House of hell looking for blood. How your song at the river, you sinner. House of hell at the river, coming looking for blood. How your song, coming looking for blood. How your song at the river, you sinner. House of hell at the river, coming.
Kingsway goes up and over I-4. Let's take a look at old Interstate 4. Ah, it looks like it's moving. That's a shocker. There's something you don't see every day. So just home now. I dropped Shelly off and then went up to Basset Brewing, my favorite brewery, to go see Houston, my favorite brewer. It's 4:30ish or so now, and it's hot. You know, it's probably 95 degrees in Florida during this time. You ride early, 8 a.m., you wrap it up by noon or 1, and you get the bike put away. It's just too hot. Cloudy today, supposed to be rain. It's Sunday, May 19th. We have about an hour, it looks like, before the rain hits, so we're gonna run up here and see about a new brewery that's supposed to be out. I don't think it's open yet. Voodoo Brewing, supposed to be open on East Highway 60, but it's near the Arby's where we're gonna go eat lunch, so we're gonna go check it out and see if it's there yet. They're probably still constructing and moving in. Let's go. So this is going to be Voodoo Brewing right here. It's going to be nice location too. Really close to me. That'll be dangerous. Let's go get lunch. It's the ice cream. It's a race home. I don't know if we're going to make it. Park Road, Plant City. Oh boy, this guy's stopping. I got the ice cream from Culvers. They weren't that helpful, but they tried a little bit. Oh my God, come on. Strawberry Patch. You're actually supposed to say Strawberry Patch Liquor, I believe. Coming through Old Plant City. The ice cream though, it's in the left saddlebag. It's melting! It's melting! No one even considers you might have ice cream in your saddlebag that's melting and adjust your speed accordingly. go see if we made it. Whew.